Hello and welcome to today's episode on speaking frequency measurement. Fundamental frequency is the first harmonic in the acoustical measurement. How to measure it is discussed. One point is that whenever you make a measurement of the voice, it is a good idea to refer to the fundamental frequency where the measurement was made. Another possibility to define a speaking frequency is counting from 1 to 10, because that will leave the examiner with an impression of your speaking quality. That is not enough for good science though. Laryngograph Limited has developed software where you can measure the mean fundamental frequency and total range of the speaking frequency with electroglottography. That is more accurate. We have used the FJ Electronics electroglottography to analyze fundamental frequency of the developing voice in boys and girls during reading of a standard text. This means that our measurement is accurate. Of course, it is important to have the accurate fundamental frequency during speaking, during puberty, if you want to compare this factor with other pediatric development results. We have used the fundamental frequency to predict the change of voice in puberty in choirs, together with the hormonal development. At the bottom, the fundamental frequency during speaking is presented in a stratified study. Voice range in continuous speech is the second row from the top. Comparing these results to the curve to laryngograph shows it is scientifically optimal to have both mean and range of the speaking fundamental frequency. We have found that change of fundamental frequency in puberty in boys can be predicted by the serum hormone binding globulin, SHBG. This is interesting because it illustrates the dependency of the fundamental frequency of the hormonal development. SHBG binds testosterone, and once it is reduced, testosterone is bioavailable. In girls, there is also a relationship between serum hormone binding globulin, but this is a linear correlation of SHBG with menarche, beginning of menstruation. In this picture, the fundamental frequency during continuous speech is presented in the bottom and voice range as number 2 from the top. We have tried to mark the pediatric development of breasts in this picture. The specific setup for measurement has been described in the book Development of Voice in Children, ebook 2014, Springer Verlag. As you can see from this picture, the lowest harmonic is defined, and we have marked the fundamental speaking frequency on the curve. This kind of measurement gives other information than electroglottography and is useful in many situations. In the literature, the fundamental frequency during speaking is commented in many ways. An interesting overview of the aging is made recently in Voice Science, edited by Robert Sattelov, 2017. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.